Hello and welcome to episode 11 of the Allotment Diaries. So it's been a while since I've made an Allotment Diaries episode. We obviously had Christmas and the New Year. We didn't really come up to the plot much during January. The weather's not been particularly good. I've not been feeling 100%. So I've kind of just come up to feed the birds every now and again and just kind of sit and not really do anything. But this weekend, myself and Mr. Mindful Grower have decided to start ploughing on with some of the things we planned to do over Christmas whilst we took a little break to take stock of everything and decide what it is we actually want to grow, where we want to grow it, if we want to have raised beds or that kind of stuff. So yeah, we've started to make some progress today, so let's go and see what we've been up to. So we continued clearing by the fig tree so that we had better access for pruning and harvesting throughout the year, and also another path of access to the side of the plot where the wooden cold frame is, so we can start working on that. And I also wanted to have better access to the wire fencing on the right there so I could start growing my sweet peas and using that area for the flower bed that I'm planning. We also finally cleared away the remaining few planters and boxes and bits of plastic that were at the bottom of the plot. I'm not quite sure why we hadn't done it already, but now that they've gone it's looking a lot tidier, at least on the soil section, but the side of the shed is now starting to look quite untidy with everything we've kind of dumped there. So over the next couple of weeks we're going to get all that cleared away so we've got a fresh space for us to kind of utilise it a bit better than a dumping ground really. But yeah, we're happy with the soil down there at the moment. We still need to test the soil, so I'm going to get a soil testing kit soon, but Mr. Mindful Grower kind of went over everything with the fork again just to refresh it. And we finally started to put the windows in, but I think the plastic is too thin and the nails that we've used, I don't know if they're the right ones, but it's kind of smashed the plastic, so I think we might have to come up with a plan B for the windows. So thank you for joining us for this short update episode. If you did like this video, then please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to both of us. I'll now leave you with a few of our feathered friends. See you next time.